Hi, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy XCover 6 Pro, and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. So first, let's open the settings application and then tap to the sounds and vibration. Here click to volume panel, and just to change ringtone volume we should hold and slide to the left or to the right side this blue dot. You also have one more way how we can do that, just by use the volume buttons. Just first be sure that this switcher is turned off, because one will use the switcher, we'll use the volume buttons to change the media, and to change the ringtone we should turn off this option. So now let's just press to the up or to the down volume button, and we can see that we just successfully changed ringtone volume. Also we can make it by the third way, just hold and slide to the left or to the up or to the down this volume panel. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.